Welcome to one of the most luxurious freehold condo located in an exclusive, tranquil, yet bustling heart of Orchard Road. There are many people in the world who know Orchard Road before knowing where Singapore is. Hi, I'm Kevin Low from OrangeTee AAG. This award-winning luxury condo by renowned architect SCDA has a state-of-art quality finishing. This exclusive unit was chosen as a show flat with high-end exquisite ID design to make it a fully sold project. Before your visitors arrive, they will be greeted by the display of multiple exquisite racing cars like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and Rolls-Royce. The moment your visitors enter the house via private lifts, they will be wowed by the unparalleled wide-angle panoramic unobstructed view of Orchard and Tanglin cityscape, including Bukit Timah Hill and the sea behind the iconic Marina Bay Sands. The spacious, modern, open-concept kitchen brings connectivity within the family in both dining and living area. The backyard alfresco-style balcony gives a private place to chill and separate business meetings with family activities. All three bedrooms in this 2,260 square feet unit have the same glamorous unobstructed view. The stunning master bedroom with separate walk-in wardrobe and luxurious bathroom makes you feel like staying in a 5-star hotel presidential suite. Imagine waking up every morning to feel totally recharged by this unobstructed view. Let's share on the real value and potential of this unit. Location, location, location. 21 Angullia Park is one of the most sought-after addresses in Singapore. It connects the famous One Hill Tree semi-detached zone and nearby good-class bungalows area like Chatsworth, Nassim, and Cluny. None of these landed zones can beat 21 Angullia Park convenience of 2 minutes walk to Orchard MRT and premium Ion Orchard. Everyone wants the convenience to be near the most bustling street with multiple Michelin-starred restaurants, yet in the quiet, tranquil area, private and exclusive for the most privileged families. More importantly, this near penthouse super high floor unit bring highest value of luxury privileged lifestyle. The freehold status in such exceptional rare location ensures longevity, eternity, asset growth, and legacy succession. Like collectible luxury watches, they grow in value and have exclusive joy and satisfaction wearing it. With outskirt OCR 99 years leasehold condo touching 2,800 PSF and RCR at 3,500 PSF, this CCR Central Region freehold unit at 4,000 plus PSF is a steal. For such luxury enjoyment, which provides eternal growth like an asset-based bank, it is definitely a privileged lifestyle house you can call home. Call me at 9459-0852 to feel the aura of this house before you have the chance to call this house your home.